We're going through the inspection process, and as part of that, we found that there was a wet crawl space and a good amount of mold. We moved in, and within 2 or 3 days, my wife started to have daily asthma attacks. And within that same time period, I developed bronchitis. After going to the hospital twice, for me, I did a bit of research to try to figure out if, in fact, the mold issues that we knew we had in the home could be attributable to the health symptoms that we were experiencing. And it didn't take very long to learn that there's a direct correlation between the two. So I then reached out to Ayers, and the responsiveness was spectacular. Ayers met and exceeded every expectation that we had. From the beginning contact to meeting with the sales team to today, the professionalism that has been exhibited and the competence are a model of professionalism. They are clean, efficient, polite, friendly. From stem to stern, the level of professionalism really, it's a model for other companies to try to follow. And we're very confident that with the work being done, the mold issues that we have will all be taken care of, and we'll really be able to enjoy our home without those health concerns.